What are you doing? What are you doing? Today's project is to figure out how to put privacy curtains up here. So as far as the curtains go, I've seen people do all different things. So I've seen them put magnets in the curtains, and then they can just, they'll do like the little round magnets here, and then they just snap them on, which I thought about doing. And then, although I don't have a sewing machine to sew them in, I could do it by hand, but it seems like a lot of work. And then I've seen people do like rails here where your curtain can just slide on the rail. I don't have a whole lot of room behind the driver's seat, so I didn't want anything too bunched up there. Plus I think I'd have to drill in a little bit, which I'm not really comfortable with. And then I've seen people do almost like little cabinet hook knobs here, and then hang the cabinet over, the curtains over that. I'm going to try these hooks because I figure I can use the hooks for other things, like when I take the cabinet down. Like for instance, if I want to have like fresh vegetables in here and stuff, I wanted something to hang the vegetables with. I don't have a lot of fridge space, so I needed some space for like fruits and vegetables. So I figured I could always use these hooks to hang, like a fruit or a veggie, I don't know what I'm trying to say, like a fresh produce bag. So I figure the hooks could come in handy in a variety of ways. So I just need to kind of figure out which curtains I'm going to go with, and then I can kind of place the hooks accordingly. I already put one hook up here just to see if it would stick. And I like it. It looks good. It kind of blends in. I don't know. We'll see. So these are my funky curtains that Scott will probably hate, but I thought they were kind of fun. So that's just one panel. I did get two panels, but one panel would fit, but I'd have a little space on either side where light could get in. So I just don't know how to make it wrap around here to cut that off. But anyways, that's my funky curtain. I kind of like that. And then the other one is a solid color. This is the heavy one. It has the black on the other side, so it's a really good blackout curtain. So I'm thinking it would go something like this. This one's a little bit longer too. I'd have to somehow trim the bottom. But this is the solid one. So I don't know. I like them both. So once I decide, it'll be really easy to do. It's just these hooks are holding up really well. They're nice and sticky. They're supposed to have I forget what the weight was for it, but it was really good, and they got rated high on Amazon, but that's what they look like. And so they can either hang from the ceiling or just regular. Oh yeah, and I'll show you, I actually put some on the other side of this valance here. I put two hooks so I could hang something for like fresh produce. So I can just hang that, and then I could use the bag to go to the store as well. I don't know how it's going to work with the sink right here, but I didn't want to put it over the stove, and I could always put another one here as well. So I have, that way the hooks are kind of hidden in the back. So I like that setup too. Okay, now I just have to decide on these curtains. So this is what I decided on for now. I know I went with the funky. Why not? So I went with kind of the funky curtains. I really like the blackout curtains, the orange ones, but they were really, really heavy and they were too long, so I'd have to return them and then order the right size. And these are just kind of fun and lightweight, and they were on sale, so these are going to work for now. I'll just show you how I how I did it. So I got these silver hooks here, and I don't know how long they're gonna stick. I mean, and I made sure that one lined up with the middle of this. And this is like this weird padded vinyl. So I really don't know how long these are going to hold up, especially in the heat. But I thought they looked better than the other ones. So we'll see. We'll see. That's why, I don't know. We'll see how long they last. But I just wanted something kind of easy to be able to put curtains up. And then I can either go one panel or two, but the one panel doesn't really fit, so it kind of leaves a gap on each side. So if I do two panels, I can just, I have like some little hooks over here, so I can kind of start right there. Oh shoot, did I do this right? Yeah. So there's one panel. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, it's not rocket science, but it'll work for right now. I don't know why that's not lining up very good. But anyways, and then the other panel, what I did is I just folded it against each other so the grommets line up. And then I just put that on there. So that way I can get up front if I need to. A little bit easier. So yeah, that's my solution. I have to tweak this a little bit, I think. But maybe that'll work better. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's, see what it looks like from back here. I don't know, it's kind of fun and funky. I liked it. Scott, I'm sure, will hate it. So got a new upgrade for the bathroom floor. We're going to see how this works instead of this cheap thing that I got from the dollar store. Whew, it's going to be hot today. Holy moly. So, ooh, I like that. Yeah, I think I like it. I think it'll work. I think it'll work perfectly. I can get it to stick. I guess the big thing is to make sure it doesn't slide. So, let's see how that works. So I'm not sure if you can see it with the light, but this is what it looks like when it's trimmed to fit. I got gray to match the counters here, and I like it. So far it looks like the stickies on the bottom, the little suction cups, are holding good. So I think this is a win for now.